Hi, this is Mike Sullivan over here in eLearning. I received an email a little bit ago regarding some questions regarding course end dates in Canvas. Luckily, we can kind of manipulate or change the course end date within Canvas. You're not tied to that December 13th timeline, especially if you have students that are completing work, especially also that your grades can be submitted up to December 26th. So it's a real easy fix to reopen your course for your students. Simply go over here. I'm in my main course right now. I teach CSC 105. I'm on the home page. What I want to do is I go over here on the left-hand side and click on Settings. After I click on Settings here, if you notice, you want to make sure the course details is selected. In here, usually this defaults over to kind of what the college sets as a course end date through the registrar. I can select, in this case, I'll get my students till the 25th to submit work. I click on Done. And then also you want to make sure over here where it says restrict students from viewing this course after the end date, you want to make sure that this is unchecked. If it's checked, it's kind of like a fail-safe, so it's kind of a double jeopardy kind of thing. So you have one end date here, and then you also kind of reaffirm what you want for your course. So once that's unchecked, you can go down here and select Update Course Details. So now my students have up to December 25th to submit work. They can go in, they can actively do anything that's open. So as long as your modules are published, your students shouldn't have an issue. Make sure your due dates are changed and you should be good. If you have any questions or any problems, definitely give eLearning a holler and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thanks.